While developing Generation 3, we combined our customers' expectations with our many years of experience in crane engineering and our most innovative technologies. For this new generation of cranes, the steel structure has been newly developed and optimized from the ground up. The result? Even stronger cranes without added weight. Moreover, Generation 3 once again sets new standards in terms of reach. This allows a greater arc of coverage during loading and therefore fewer starts with the truck. The new Comfort Drive is our tribute to our heroes of the day, the crane operators. The Grammer seat with mechanical suspension features maximum comfort even during long days at work. Thanks to the proven hydraulic pilot control system, the crane can always be operated with sensitivity and precision. The 360-degree lighting concept guarantees the best visibility, even in poor light. 4 additional LED floodlights now ensure perfect illumination of the outrigger position and the surrounding area. The control valves are now mounted under the top seat platform, so they are optimally protected against damage. The optimized hydraulic setup increases efficiency in daily use, guarantees exceptional performance, and enables even faster crane speeds while maintaining perfect control. The new centralized greasing options save time during routine maintenance. Regardless of whether automatic or manual, both systems are factory integrated into the crane construction and ensure smooth operation right from the start. The new Smart Control Assistance system makes the crane smart and operation even more intuitive and user-friendly. Smart Control allows the tip of the crane to be controlled instead of individual cylinders. This not only makes the work itself faster and safer, but also shortens the training period. New outrigger options with support widths of up to 5.4 meters provide optimum stabilization while maintaining compact dimensions in the parking position. This increases the stability of the entire system. Internal hose routing optimally protects the hydraulics against damage. Downtime is not an option for us. That's why Generation 3 cranes have been subjected to extensive endurance tests during development as well as in the field. The highest demands on quality and reliability ensure typical Palfinger performance. Guaranteed.